Welcome to
Kennemental.
Kennemental has been in Bedford for 72 years and employs approximately 218 people at the Bedford plant.
What exactly do they make at the Kennemental Bedford plant?
Our tungsten carbide tools are used in underground mining applications, so we have tools that drill into the roof of a mine and help to stabilize the mine. We also have tools for surface mining. We have a very large component of our tools used in road construction or used in trenching and foundation drilling.
A lot of stuff we make here, it's for, forestry, agriculture, mining. We're building a lot of tools that help build the backbone of this country.
The U7-bit was the first product made in the Bedford plant in 1952. Can you believe that product is still manufactured today? Employees have a rich history too. Listen in.
My grandfather came down with Kennemental. My father worked here for 42 years, so I'm a third generation Kennemental employee.
We saw so many cool things in the plant. Here are some highlights.
It all starts with tungsten carbide powder. They use presses to press the powder into a near net shape. They press tens of thousands of parts daily. Once pressed, they move to a sintering operation.
It bakes at over 1,000 degrees. Wow, that's hot!
Once it comes out of the sintering furnace, it is the second hardest material right below diamonds, and that's what we actually use as the cutting surface for all of our applications.
Next, they braze, weld, and machine.
We have some old technology. We have some machines that are from 1940s. And then we got some of the latest and the greatest machines with robots and everything.
The Kennemental employees share what they felt was so cool about manufacturing.
You're creating something. There's a lot of jobs where you put in a lot of work and you don't feel like you ever see the results of it. In manufacturing, you normally have it in your hand before it goes out the door.
That's so cool.
So I don't come and sit on a machine every day, which is what a lot of people think manufacturing is.
You know what's really cool?
Kennemental partners with our high school robotics team for
Bots IQ.
If you can think up of the idea, you can make just about whatever you want.